Hello friends, I am Astro Pankaj Seth. Today our topic is Moon and Jupiter conjunctions. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channels to get the latest post on astrology. Basically, I am doing the basic Vedic astrology based on the Brihat Parasar, Hora Shastra and Nadi astrology. Moon and Jupiter are friend to each others. So definitely Moon and Jupiter conjunction assume as a beneficial conjunction. Moon and Jupiter conjunction if making in a good place, then it is known as a famous Gaj Kesari Yoga. Even it is not in a good place, then for a Chandra Kundali it will be already in the first place. So basically we can say that Moon and Jupiter conjunction is making the Gaj Kesari Yoga, and we know that it is a very good yoga or very good Shubh yoga. Now Moon is the karak of our roop or look. Jupiter is a sincere planet, so native will be looking handsome and sincere. Jupiter is the karak of the fat, so it may possible he may be little fatty by look. If the Jupiter is not well placed or affiliated, then native will be suffer from the fatty bodies, or he will be suffer from the issues related to the fat. Native may be kind and helpful from the mind, because Moon has the impact of Jupiter, and Jupiter is a natural beneficial planet. He is kind in nature and helpful by nature, so native may be kind and helpful from the mind. He may be polite from the natures. He may be religious. He may be inclined towards the rightness, or just like a dharmic person, means he will be always do the right things. Native has a stable mind. Actually, Moon is a fickle by nature or unstable by nature, but it is has impact of Jupiter, so native's mind will be stable. Native may be wise. He may be a very good advisor. He may be a natural teacher, because Jupiter is a natural guru. So he may be very good advisor or teacher. He can getting the success in the advice or teaching. As we know that Jupiter has a good moral conduct, so due to the impact of Jupiter and the Moon, native may has good moral conduct. Native always stand with the rightness or right acts. Moon is the karak of mothers, and it is associated with the Jupiter, so we can say that his mother will be religious lady. She has a good faith on God. Again, in the our Nadi astrology, Jupiter is the karak of Jiva, and Jiva is associated with the Moon. Moon is the karak of the traveling. So we can say that if the Moon and Jupiter is associated in the charts, then native may change his birthplace, or native has many sorts of traveling aspects in his life. Either he will be change his birthplace, or if not change the birthplace, then definitely native may has many sorts of traveling. Native will be brave from the mind, and his voice may be very loud. Why? Why Jupiter is considered as a lion or elephant. So if the, because it is making the Gaj Kesari Yoga, and the effect of the Gaj Kesari Yoga is native has voice will be very loud. He may be very brave, and his voice may be very loud. He may be getting the victory over his enemies, but he may shows his fickleness, means little impact of the fickle attitudes is also there. Again, we can say that Neti may be fortunated, he may be wealthy, he may be head or karta of his family, because Jupiter's come with responsibility. So Neti may has responsibility for his family, responsibility for his mothers, and he has to take care of his family just like a mother. So he may be either head or karta of his family. Moon and Jupiter conjunction is also indicating Neti may believe in the true friendships. He has a very good attachment with his own friends. This combination may also cause for true love or love marriage. When Moon and Jupiter is associated in the charts, then it is indicating Neti may has a true love. But if it is associated with the Venus, then Neti may be has true love with any lady, and if the Mars, then lady has a true love with his boyfriend and or husbands. So it will be inclined towards the love marriage. Neti may be getting the support from the public, because Moon is the karak of democracy and it is associated with the Jupiter. So Neti will be getting the supports from the public. He has good respect among his own relatives. He will be protect his own peoples or own persons. The negative impact is Moon is the Kaph Karaka, and when the Moon and Jupiter is associated, then Neti may be suffering from the cold and cough related issues. Because both Moon and Jupiter is indicating the Kaph dosa, then Neti will be suffering from the cold and cough related issues. He may be suffering from the cholesterol related issues, because Moon is the blood and Jupiter is the fat. So it is making the cholesterol. So he may be suffering from the cholesterol related issues. Another negative impact is Moon and Jupiter conjunction that he may be facing from the blamings. If you know that the story of the Buddha, then you can know that Chandra will cause for the blaming of a guru. So we can say that Neti may be facing from the blamings, and the intensity of the blaming will be depends on the another planet's involvement in this relationship. But Neti may be facing from the blamings, and it may be possible. Hope you like my videos. If you like, then please subscribe my channels, and next day we will come with the Moon and Venus conjunction. It is considered also a very famous yogas in the charts. Thank you. Have a nice day.